In this problem, they've given us an implicit relation, and they want all tangent lines. So we're looking at y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. But we might have more than one x and y that work. And they've just given us a y, so I'm going to start by seeing how many x's satisfy this y. So I have negative x times 1 plus x squared equals 5 plus 1 squared is 1. I'm going to set this equal to 0 since it's a quadratic. So I have x squared minus x. This is 6. Subtracting it from both sides gives us negative 6 equals 0. Looks like this can factor into x minus 3, x plus 2 equals 0. So that means the points we're looking for, we have zeros of 3 and negative 2, so we're going to have 3 comma 1 and negative 2 comma 1 are the solutions when y equals 1. Now I need my derivative, and that will come from the derivative with respect to x of negative xy plus x squared equals 5 plus y squared. Well, this first term is a product rule with p and q. So we've got p prime q plus q prime p. P prime is negative 1 times y plus q prime is dy dx or y prime. P is negative x plus the derivative of x squared is 2x equals 0 plus 2y times the derivative of y, which is y prime. Okay? Now, we can solve for y prime. This is really a negative xy prime, so I'll add it to both sides. So we're going to have plus xy prime. This term goes away, and I will now factor a y prime out on the right. Y prime times 2y plus x equals 2x minus y. Now I'll divide by 2y plus x. This is our y prime, and it's the slope of our graph. Now we have two different x and y's to plug in. So I've got y prime at 3 comma 1. Well, that will equal 2 times 3 minus y is 1 over 2 times 1 plus my x of 3. That gives us a 5 over 5, or 1. I also need y prime at negative 2 comma 1. So that's going to equal 2 times negative 2 minus 1 over 2 times 1 plus a negative 2. And that equals negative 5 over 0. Well, that's undefined. And anything that has undefined slope is completely vertical. And if it's vertical, it's going to have the equation x equals a number. Well, the number was negative 2, so that's going to equal, so that line's going to be x equals negative 2. So there is one of my lines. My other line will come from using y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 and that slope was 1. Also, that y was 1 and that x was 3. So we'll have y minus 1 equals an m of 1 times x minus 3. That's our other equation. Two tangent lines, here and here.